How to fix Facebook problem. In this video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this, and you have to scroll down the screen and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, now you have to go and restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Let's see you in another video.